go from this one. Tia. Alright.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded. I just haven't had anything to upload, but I figured today I should make a video on how to make your mini bike or go-kart or whatever louder. And yeah, I'll just start a tutorial. So what we're gonna do is purposely make an exhaust leak. Right here, you undo these bolts and actually have some washers, and we're gonna put those in between, and that should give us a small gap like this big. And it'll be louder, but it won't be obnoxious. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I just removed the muffler by undoing those bolts, and then this just slid right off. Your engine will probably be this way, but my mini bike, the frame was too small, so it wouldn't fit, so I put it upside down. But I've taken off the gaskets. Yours will only have one. I put a second one on just to have one. And then I've put on the washers, and I'm going to start to install the muffler back on. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm putting the muffler back on. If you look at that bolt, you probably are wondering why it looks different, but that was because I was not thinking and I lost the bolt. So always have a place to put your bolts and parts when you're working on stuff like this. Okay, so the simple exhaust mod has been done. This bolt I'm kind of concerned about because I couldn't really tighten it down too much, but it seems to be on pretty tight. If I can get the camera back, you can see just how small the gap is. So that should let some sound escape, make it a little louder. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give it a pull and we're gonna see how it sounds. Okay, so I'm very happy with the results. I don't know if you could hear it, but it is definitely a lot more louder than the stock Predator 212 exhaust. It sounds like a chopper. Like if I put a header on it, it would probably sound the same. But yeah, guys, that's how you make your mini bike, go-kart, whatever, fast or louder. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I may have another project coming up, so stay tuned.